Here's my hose rack out of wood. Pretty cheap to make. See, this is about 9 inches. And you gotta get in between the fence parts. Let's see, and it's about, let's see, about 20 something inches long. And I put the board across here. This is basically just a box, a square box, and I put the board across here to keep it from pushing into the fence. See, it's hitting the post. And I had these little things to kind of make it look a little nicer. I originally did it with a piece of plywood and it ripped right out of the thing, so this should be a little bit stronger. Anyway, that's a cheap hose rack.